Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming where space is used and making a safety copy. Open storage settings, note the drive and free GB, then copy critical folders to an external disk or cloud. Once the backup finishes, close resource-heavy applications and pause Cloud Sync to prevent file locks. Make sure you have at least 10% free or 20 GB, whichever is larger, before proceeding. This prevents system instability and gives you room to run cleanup tools immediately. You now tackle the heavy lifting. Run disk cleanup or storage sense to remove temporary files, system cache, and old Windows Update files. This often frees several gigabytes quickly. Next, sort installed programs by size and uninstall games or apps you no longer use. Once done, transfer photos, videos, and large archives to an external drive or cloud. If you need apps to remain but not on the system drive, create symbolic links or change install locations for future installs to keep the main drive lean. You finish by verifying and optimizing. Run trim on SSDs or defragment HDDs, then empty the recycle bin and check free space again to confirm gains. Reduce or clear system restore points if they consume excessive space, and update storage settings for future cleanup. If you still lack space, search for duplicates, run a malware scan, and consider migrating to a larger drive or adding external storage. Troubleshooting tip: if space doesn't free, reboot into safe mode and repeat cleanup to remove locked files.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.